Hi, Busco 909 here. I'd like to show you this cool open string riff today. I'm tuned to G, G, D, G, open G. And I turned it into a 12 bar, which I'm not going to explain, I'm just going to put up in writing, because I'm sure a lot of you are tired of me explaining what a 12 bar is. And if you're new, you can check it out and just figure it out from there. But what it is, it's a cool lick, and it's just using the open strings. It starts though on an upstroke. Whether you use your finger, you can use your fingers like this. It sounds kind of cool. Or I'm using a pick. I pick up, then I slide from 5 to 7, hit the open string again, 3 to 5. On the middle, high string. Like that. And then I do a little thing here on the 5. I hit it and hammer on and off on the 6 and slide down to the 3 to bring me into the... So everywhere in the song I'm just doing the standard boogie thing. That's 2 open strings, middle and low, and then 2nd fret on the middle, 3rd fret on the middle. You do it like that. I tend to double up on the low string and just hit the every other time on the middle string. That's how I kind of like it. So anyway, you get the lick. Like that, one more time. And then we do the lick again. Now we go up to the 4 chord on the 5th fret. Same rhythm, same idea. And then the open string lick again. And then open lick again. Now we slide up to 7. Like that. And then back to the 1. And of course, if you have your favorite turnarounds, you can put them in. You know, like that. Anything that you like. I hope you have fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.